Heavy industries such as textiles, rubber, or plastics use a calendar machine for a hard pressure roller at a specific temperature to smoothen the sheet. Temperature and pressure here play a crucial role in deciding the quality and getting the desired product. Aliter has replaced the manual recording system with real-time IoT-based monitoring. The Aliter's IoT system monitors all four rollers' temperature and rollers' gap at every millimeter of the product's length. This helps identify any deviations or quality issues with the product. Benefit: real-time monitoring of energy, temperature, and gap of the roller. 2. Immediate error resolution by production stoppage and minimizing further loss because of quality issues. 3. Record per batch report, used for audit purposes and backtrace. 4. Batch-wise graph to ease the QC process. 5. Batch-wise energy consumption monitoring.